Yeah, it actually has 2, which is the good news. Yeah. So there's 7 lithium NMR, which is, I would say, the most common nucleus to investigate. But there's another nuclei that is called 6 lithium. Yeah. It is many times actually very useful to have one material and then you measure both nuclei in one material. So you use basically a 7 lithium NMR experiment, which gives you a certain information. Yeah. And in NMR spectroscopy, we usually measure then sort of, line shapes, peaks, and shifts of these signals. And with the electrochemical experiment going on, these, shifts change and the line shape changes. And if we then want to conclude from whatever happened with this signal, and we can actually measure the same material, the same nuclei, but a different isotope, which would be 6 lithium, we get an independent, intrinsic second source of information, which is many times very helpful for a researcher or for an R&D, scientist in a company to actually, be sure about the conclusions that they draw from whatever from every experiment they actually conduct.
Yes, that's actually a great argument for using NMR to study batteries. If you essentially get 2 experiments in one that are,
you actually not only get 2 in one, it can be more. Yeah, if these materials that actually have lithium or lithium containing, if they also have other NMR active nuclei that we can measure, like oxygen, phosphorus, we can, without stopping the experiment, without dismantling the battery, so we are still non-invasive, we look into the battery while all of this is happening, which is an outstanding approach, because other techniques usually stop the device, or they dismantle the device and then they do post-mortem analysis. But here we can look inside, basically, so to say, the battery with different type of sources of information, like lithium, phosphorus, 6 and 7 lithium, sodium. It depends, of course, what materials and what nuclei are inside the battery, but this is possible.